Hey YouTube, this is a review of the DELLA small compact portable washing machine. Holds 11 pounds of laundry and it has a spin dryer. My least favorite part about living in New York City is going to the laundromat on the weekends. You gotta fight for a dryer. Sometimes people move your clothes from one dryer to another or into a cart. You gotta monitor your laundry every 30-45 minutes. And it's expensive. You gotta haul everything down there. It's just an inconvenience. So this machine really helps. I'd recommend it to anyone who lives in an apartment. I built this wooden platform out of pallet wood so that the machine can operate in the bathtub. That way there's no chance of it ever leaking and destroying the apartment below me. So we start with an electrical cord. So the cord's stored in the back. Plug it in. Being summertime, you gotta do laundry quite a bit, so I'm gonna do a couple pair of shorts, a couple of t-shirts, socks and whatnot. I find the easiest way to fill this machine is just with a bucket. While your bucket's filling up, just go ahead and add your soap. Then simply pour it in. I'm going to add 2 buckets in this case. Basically just have to cover the clothing. Use some warm water. And you close it. So to turn it on, just turn your wash selector to whatever time desired. Pick 9 minutes. And then it does its thing. Once the cycle's done washing, at this point, you're ready for a rinse cycle. Once your rinse cycle is complete, drain. Now you're ready to move your clothes to the dryer. There's a little plastic piece that goes on top of your clothes. Probably you can spin half the load, I would say. Won't fit the whole load. Press that down. Turn the spinner on. Usually about 3 minutes will do the trick. Has an automatic brake. Stops the spinner when you open the lid, which is nice. But then these clothes are ready for your drying rack. We also bought a drying rack when we bought this, so we just hang everything in the hallway of our apartment. Works really nicely. Don't have to use a dryer, save a little energy. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.